Welcome back to Reflection with PCUA. In this video I'm going to talk about genetically modified foods. The information that I'm going to give you comes from the World Health Organization. Let's start with what are genetically modified organisms, GMOs, and GM foods. GMOs can be defined as organisms like plants, animals, or microorganisms in which the genetic material has been altered in a way that does not occur naturally. The technology is often called modern biotechnology or gene technology, sometimes also recombinant DNA technology or genetic engineering. It allows selected individual genes to be transferred from one organism into another, also between non-related species. Why are GM foods produced? GM foods are developed and marketed because there is some perceived advantage either to the producer or consumer of these foods. This is meant to translate into a product with a lower price, greater benefit in terms of durability or nutritional value, or both. One of the objectives of developing plants based on GM organisms is to improve crop protection. The GM crops currently on the market are mainly aimed at an increased level of crop protection through the introduction of resistance against plant diseases caused by insects or viruses, or through increased tolerance towards herbicides. Resistance against insects is achieved by incorporating into the food plant the gene from our toxin production from the bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis. This toxin is currently used as a conventional insecticide in agriculture and is safe for human consumption. GM crops that inherently produce this toxin have been shown to require lower quantities of insecticides. Virus resistance is achieved through the introduction of a gene from certain viruses which cause disease in plants. Virus resistance makes plants less susceptible to diseases caused by such viruses, resulting in higher crop yields. Finally, are GM foods safe? Different GMOs include different genes inserted in different ways. This means that individual GM foods and their safety should be assessed on a case-by-case basis, and that it's not possible to make general statements on the safety of all GM foods. GM foods currently available on the international market have passed safety assessments and are not likely to present risk for human health. In addition, no effects on human health have been shown as a result of the consumption of such foods by the general population in the countries where they have been approved. Continuous application of safety assessment based on the Codex Alimentarius principles and where appropriately adequate post-marketing monitoring should form the basis for ensuring the safety of GM foods. This is all for now. Hope you guys like this video.